In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom forms for your Odoo site. We're going to walk through the process directly inside your Odoo website builder so you can quickly add a form to one of your pages and customize it to fit your needs. This is a very useful feature if you want to collect inquiries, requests, or other information from visitors in a clean and professional way. To begin, click Website to open your Odoo website. This takes you into the area where you can manage the pages and content your visitors will actually see. Once you're there, go to the top right, click Site, and then select Pages. This will open the list of pages available on your website. From here, choose the page where you want to add the custom form. As soon as you select it, Odoo will take you directly to that page so you can start editing the content in the right place. This is helpful because it lets you see exactly how the form will look in context rather than working blindly. Next, click Edit in the top right corner. This opens the website editor and allows you to make changes to the page layout and content. Once editing is enabled, go to the Blocks tab. This is where Odoo stores the different pre-built content sections you can drag into your page. Inside the Blocks tab, look for the section called Contact and Forms. Click into it and you'll see a range of form templates displayed. These templates give you a starting point which can save time and make the setup process much easier. Choose the one that best matches what you want and apply it to your page. After the form has been added, click directly on the Form field area. When you do this, the Style tab will appear on the right-hand side. This panel gives you access to the properties of the custom form, including the list of form fields currently included. From here you can add new fields or remove ones you don't need, depending on the type of information you want to collect. You can also click on individual fields to edit them or delete them. This makes it easy to fine-tune the form and keep it simple, relevant, and user-friendly for your visitors. And that's it. That's how you create a custom form for your Odoo site. Once you've adjusted the fields the way you want, your page is ready to better engage visitors and gather the information you need.